Yeah, okay, I think we can start the session today. Let me share my screen to you. Okay, yesterday we discussed about the user administration part. So how to create the users and how to create the groups and roles. Okay, and how to create the roles and how to assign them. So yesterday we covered all these topics, and today we are going to discuss about the form administration. So how to customize the forms and how to add the new fields and how to remove the how to remove the existing fields. We can discuss this topic in today class. So let's take a one any example form like basically we regularly we work on the incidents form, right? So here we have the incident module, and if you open any existing incidents which is already created, you can go to the open. So these are the existing incidents records are already available. So if I open any one record, so basically this we about the any record. So there are multiple fields are available, but as per our requirement, we can display them as per our requirement. Few fields as per our requirement. So I will explain how to add new fields and how to remove existing fields in the from the form. Okay. Okay, let's take a so to customize the form, just to go to the top of the form, just right click. So from here, just right click. So if you click on right click, you can see the configure. So go to here we have the three options are available. In these three ways, we can customize the form. So for the first one is the form builder, second one is the form design, and the third one is the form layout. Basically, this form builder recently introduced some last 2 3 versions. Before that, form design and form layout are there. So okay, I will explain the form builder now. Okay, if I click on the form builder, it will open in the new tab. Okay, this is the form builder interface. So here you can see what are the fields you are seeing here. You can see the same thing here. Okay, so incident, problem, country, everything. Okay, here you can so these are the fields are available on the incident form. Okay, these are existing fields are available, but those fields are we are not displaying on the form, but in the incident form these are already created. Okay, and here you can see. So if you can see the plus button, and at the below also you can see the plus button. If you want to add the new field above the number, you can click on here. If you want the add the new field below the number field, you can click at the below. Okay, add below. Just click on if you click on this. So add these fields, 70 fields are already available on the form. If you want to pull them to the form, you can pull them. So I'm just adding this. Click here. Okay, if you want to add another one also you can click here. Okay, like a business duration. So I'm just adding these two fields to the minute. Add two fields to the form. Okay, now you can see active and the business duration, two fields are added to the form. Just for now, just save this record. Okay, and if you want to preview how this form is going to display to the user, from here also you can click on the preview. Yes, see, the active field is added, business duration is added, and that basically we have the country field is already available. Country, state, capital is already available. So you can use this to add the forms. Okay, and after that, merge it with. Okay, just removing this delete section. Okay, so and if you want to add the new field which is not already available in the form, so these 768 are already available. Now I want to add the new field which is not listed here. Okay, just I want to add here. If you want to add the new field which is not already available, add a field to the this table. Just click on this table. Here we have the column label, column name, and the string. What is the type of the string we have now, type of the field we have now. So again, so I'm just going to add the new field like a student name. Okay, 1 minute. Automatically the column name will be displayed. Why? Because this is auto generated name, and this will be used in the scripting part, so you should not change the name. So basically you have to give the column label only. Column name is automatically it can be displayed in the column label name, and the type of the string you want. So if you want to enter the name manually, you must select the type is string, and there are other types also. So based on our requirement, I will explain what are the types of the fields you want to use. You can use that one. Okay. So now I am just selecting the, here we have the string is to type the name in the plain text. Okay. And there is another also, if you want to type the description long text, you can use the string full UTF. For now, I am just using the string one. And here we have the advanced setting. If you want to use it mandatory, if you want to make it as mandatory, so mandatory means it is a mandatory field before submitting the form. It is read only means you cannot, you can only read, you cannot enter the name. Just okay, first now just I'm not selecting anything here. Okay, for default value, if you want to put the default value, you can put the default value. Please enter student name. So it displays. It's a default. It is a default value. You can add it here. Okay. Just click on add. Done. Okay. And next I'm going to add the another field. Just click on add below. And if you want to add it the above, you can click on the above. I'm just adding to the below. So I'm going to create the another field in the table. So this time I'm going to select the choice field. So I'm just giving the name as course, which course he wants to select. See, automatically the column name came here, and the type is a string. And here I'm going to select the choice field. Choice means user can select the values from the choice. Okay, and you can see the advanced settings here, functional and same fields here. Okay, I'm just adding the this field to the choice. Done now. If you want to add the choices here, you can see the choices. So I will explain how to add the choices. Okay, I'm just adding this. I'm just adding another field here, like a email. I want to take the email from the user. So automatically the email will come, and the type of is string. So you email address you can enter the manually, right? You have to enter the manually. So you can give it as a string. Okay. And I'm going to add another field like a location. This location table is available in the in a Servicenow system, right? Yesterday I showed you how what are the locations that we have now. So user must pick the location from the this location table only. So in this case we use as the reference field. Reference means always it is selecting from the always we can reference means it is selecting from the some what from data from the other table, it is which is already available in the service. Now here I am just selecting the name. So if you type the location, here we have the this is the you just remember the cnm underscore location. So the user must select from value from this location table only, he cannot enter the new location. Okay, click on add now. Just okay, I'm just for now I'm just saving this. Okay, if you want to preview the record, you can preview the record. Okay, how it is going to be displayed to the end user, you can see here. These are the fields we added: student name, course, email, location. These are the fields we added here. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this screen, how it is applied. Okay, just click on the reload form. See here, I added under the assign to field the student name. You can enter the student name like service no snow training, just course. The choices we need to add. So email address you can add, and location. I told you, right? It is locations table data we are using here. There is a location table here. We have no yesterday I explained to you. If you want to know the what are the locations are already available, go to the user administration, click on the locations. So these are the 508 locations are there. So now user can enter any location which is available in this location. So I'm just going to, I will check whether Hyderabad is available or not. Yes, Hyderabad is available. Now you can select the Hyderabad. Hyderabad is available now. Okay. Now you can save this out, and I will explain how to add the choices here. Okay. Once you put the cursor here on the course, just right click. Here we have the configure choices here. If you click on the configure choices, you can add it the choices here. Okay. This is the interface where you can add the choices here. Okay. So I'm just adding the Servicenow course, Servicenow course, Salesforce, Java, .NET, sorry, Python. So just for example, I'm just adding this course here. Okay. Click on the save now. Okay, let's go to incident form again now. I'm just opening the create new. It opens a new record. I will explain how to configure this create new and okay. So here now you can see the course choices here. You can enter the any choice one, and please enter the student name, service no email is 31 at the rate gmail.com. Location, I'm just entering the Hyderabad. Okay, I'm just you can save the record here. Okay, Okay, here I need to enter the mandatory fields. Let's see how the mandatory fields is asking. If you see this mark here before the any field, it is a mandatory field. Here we have the save button. You can click on the save now. Okay, now see how we added the fields. Now I want to remove this assignment group and assign to field from the form only, not from the table. Just I don't want to display them here, and backend we can have them. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that one. Just refresh the screen. So here we have the assignment group and assign to. So if I click on this, the field will be removed from here. Okay. Okay, now you can see, but here they are available. We are not going to delete them. See, assignment group, assign to, these fields are already available here. So in the backend they are available, but in the form they are not available. Okay, so just click on the save. Okay, just refresh the screen. See, we don't have the assignment group and assign to field. Okay, so this is how we can add the remove the fields from here. Okay, these are the fields are available in the backend, and these are the components sections we can add it to the latest section. So I will explain in the when you create the from the new table. If we create the new table, we can check this one. Okay, and let me go to another form type like a form designer. So if I right click on the form, on the form, go to configure. Here we have the form design is available. Okay, here it is showing, just try configuring your forms with the form layer, which we discussed earlier, right? Which we showed that actually service is suggesting, but I already showed you, right? I'm just clicking not now. So this one also you can see like this, how it is going to appear here. Okay. So now we add the student name, course and email, right? Here also we can add the same type of operations here. Okay. So if you want to add the new field, here we have the all the field types are available. Okay, so I just want to add the string full UTF. So under the location, so here the main problem is before giving the name, automatically it takes the label name. So based on the field type. So here we have to delete manually. This is the some disadvantage I have observed here. So here you have to give the, if you saved mistakenly, the form the field label will be and the name will be saved permanently. The later we cannot change the name. Label we can change, but name we cannot change. So just remember this point before saving this font, check the label and the name. Okay, I'm just adding the some details. Okay, click on this. So here we need to add the always, if you are adding the new field, you must, the field name must starts with the U. It means it is added by the admin, not provided by the service. No, these fields, if you see a number, active business, these all fields are provided by service. No, and now if you are going to add the new field, it always starts with the U underscore. Okay. Okay, just click on this save. You can see the details tab here. And if you want to transfer this, if you want to change the field layout, if you want to change this to here, you can change. If you want to change the transfer reason here, you can change. And so here short description and so if let's see how the fields are added here. Okay, now I added the details and I changed the configuration and transfer reason to the right side. Okay, now you can see that fields are not available. Just if I refresh the this form, click on the reload form, see here details field is available and the configuration item is also available here. Okay, this is how we can change the form layout and the form design. Okay, and if these fields are already available the existing table, if you want to add them and remove them, you can do it one. Okay, so here we can see that these are differentiated by the sections. So you can see the this is one section and the short description and description are in different section, and these are the different tabs we can see, right? So we can add them. I will explain how to add and how to remove them in the when we start from the scratch. Otherwise we can can have discussion now also. See here, this is the notes and additional comments, related records, this one. Okay, you can see if you don't provide the name, it will be showing in the straight form, otherwise it will be displayed in the this one. Okay, okay, I will add. So notes related tab, these are the group of the fields showing in the related the tabs. So I will add one more tab here. Okay, resolution information, next to resolution information. So here is a resolution information. I'm going to add one other one. So if you want to add the new tab here, just click on this, add a new section to the after section 7. This is the section 7. I'm going to add this one. Okay. And if you want to change the this thing, if you click on this, you can change it like this. You can change the from the on the form display. Okay. I'm just clicking on the so new section. If you want to add it left and right fields, you can use it that one. Okay, I'm just if you so I'm just instead of adding this, I'm just adding the all the details here. Location. So yeah, okay, I'm just adding, just moving this instead of adding the multiple fields. So I'm just showing you how to add the new field. So from here also you can add it the new fields. Okay, and I will explain how to create that. So here we have the date field. Okay. So if you want to add the new fields in the snow training, just go to this date. You can add it here. So after that, once you added, you should not save like this. If you save this, automatically the field name it comes like this. So this is the very wrong way. Okay. So you have to select the start date, whatever the field name is. You have to give start date, and here we have to change the field name also. Start underscore date. Okay, so I'm just saving this record. So I saved this form designer. So let's see. So I'm going to add another tab here with the snow training. So if I refresh the screen, I will get it. Okay, I'm going to reload the form. Okay, here you can see the snow training, location, start date, and the course, resolution notes, everything I pulled here. Okay, I pulled resolution notes also, resolution notes. Okay, yeah, here it is there. Okay. So resolution notes see we pulled here. Okay. This is how we can add the and we can remove the fields from the form designer. Okay. So this is how we can we can customize the existing form. If you want to make changes in the existing form, this is how we are doing. So tomorrow class I will explain how to create a table from the scratch level to this level. Okay. So another, we have the form layout is there. If I go to configure the form layout, form builder we completed, form design we completed. I'm going to explain about the form layout. So this is also one of the very user friendly feature. So mostly I use this form layout because we rarely work on this form administration activities. So initial setup only everything will be created. After that, we get very less chances to work on this form administration activities. But we should aware how to create a form and how to customize the existing form. Okay. Here also you can see the try configuring your forms with the form builder, because though they are promoting this form builder instead of this. Okay. Form builder is a very easy to use, but it is a new feature. So everybody will slowly adopt the form builder. So previously I regularly use form layout only, this one only. Like this is the form layout and regularly I use this one. So here you can see the what are the fields are available, like a number, active base, same thing, what are the fields are available here. Let's say 1 minute. I will open the form now. So see number active. Here you can see the number active, business duration, everything will be, you can see them here. So if you want to add the new field, you can add it. And if you here you can see the sections, right? Like a node section, related section and resolution information. You can click on this nodes. If you want to add it to the node section, you have to click the node section. You can see the fields here. If you want to add it to the related records, you can see the all the fields which is currently available on the related fields. Now we added the snow training, right? Click on the store training. So location, state field, we can see the all the information here. So like this we can customize the form with the form layout also. So now I will explain how to do the new section. Go to the new, these are the fields that are available. If I want to remove the universal request from here, so which is available in the service offering. If I want to remove like a service field. If I want to remove the service field, just click on the service field, just save it here. You add and remove here, the arrow icon. Okay, still it is there. I will check why it is there. Go to form layout. So click on service here, remove. And if I want to add the assign to here, you can see add it here. Okay. You if you want to move the changes where you want to put, I want to put it under student name. You can click on that. Click on the save now. Yeah. Now you can see assign to field came, and you can see that service also removed. So this is how we can transfer the fields and we can add it the fields from the existing form. Okay. Snow training, everything is there. Okay. So go to form layout again now. So if you want to add the new section, so now I have explained to you how to add the snow training, right? If I want to new section from the form layout from this interface also, I will explain now. So just go down, little down. So here you can see the new. If you click on this, it will ask you to create the form tab name, that okay, section name or tab name, whatever you call. Okay, that you can create like I'm just giving the ServiceNow details here. Okay, I'm just clicking OK. So once you saved it, you don't see anything because it is a new tab. So if you want to add the any existing fields, you can add them to here. Okay, if you want to add the active incident, whether it is active or not, and closed by, you can add that. So these fields I will explain in detail when you are going to discuss about the incident management. First, for now, I'm just explaining how to do this form administration activities. So I'm just adding the number field here. Updated by just for this reference purpose, I'm just adding. And if you want to create the new field here, you can create the new field. Okay, what I am going to do is end date. I'm just adding the end date field, and date and time also. So here we need to give the field name, that field name automatically based on our name. Based on name, it automatically starts with the u underscore. Always starts with the u underscore and the field name. U underscore with the field name. Now I will explain this one. Okay, here what are the data type I'm going to explain to you. Date and time. Here we have the date and time. So user can select end date and the time also. Just click on this. So it will be added to here. And if you want to change the serial, that order of the fields, you can change it. Okay, here like this. Okay. So now just click on the save. Okay. So let's see. Here we have the service now details here now. So you can see all the fields active, closed by, and number, updated by. You can see the all the details here. So this is the field we added now. So if you right click on this, you can see show u underscore end underscore datum tab. I did not give the name automatically. It takes the name based on the our column name. This is the column name, and the which is showing here, it is the u underscore. This is the field name. U underscore means that is field is newly created by admin, not from the service now. So if you observe the other numbers, if I click on the number, you can see only the number. So these fields are created by the service now. If the field is created if you, by the admin, you come to know this field u under whatever the field is starting with the u underscore, it must be created by the admin now. Okay, now you understood, right? So Joseph, any doubts till now? Are you, I mean, my explanation is slow
No.
or speed? Yeah. Okay, just for today, just to practice this three form administration and form layout and form design. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to create a particular new table with the all this form design and form layout and form builder. I'm going to use these three options to create a new form. Now we have worked on the existing table, which is incident table. Incident is provided by the service now. Tomorrow I'm going to explain about the how to create a new table, entire new table from the scratch level. Okay. Okay, Joseph, just
Okay.
practice this session, and our reception will call you maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I'm planning to take the almost 2 hours class. I'm going to take because
Okay.
other batch is also running. Just you far away, just 5 classes are difference. So I'm trying to merge you in that batch. Okay. Okay, Joseph.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Just for practice the whatever session to, and did you create the? I think you're supposed to share the screenshot in the Teams, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, WhatsApp. Yeah.
Yeah. What's up?
Okay. Did you create the that personal app instance? Did you create it personal app instance?